Hello friends, welcome to LMS Solution Research Support. In this video, we are going to discuss about how to analyze your reference paper very briefly. So, in order to make a better literature review, you have to analyze your reference paper section wise. For example, if you want to analyze the introduction part of that particular reference, especially about the literature review made in that reference paper, so you can copy and paste the particular section of your reference paper and you can analyze that. So after, if you want to analyze the result and discussion part of the particular reference paper, you can analyze that particular paper. And then if you want to analyze the abstract alone, if you want to summarize the abstract, or you want to get the important key points in the abstract, so you can that is extract that from that particular paper. So that is how you want to analyze your reference paper. So in this video, we are going to explore how to analyze your reference paper section wise. This will be very helpful for those who are preparing your review paper, those who are starting your research work. So this will be very helpful for you to make your review paper. So let us go on to today's video and explore that AI tool. So in order to do so, go on to LMS Research Support. So you will be here, you can see this is our website, LMS Solution Research Support. So in this you can see AI chatbot. So in this you will be having different AI templates. So summarizer, grammar corrector, paraphrasing, literature review, explain the table, generate MATLAB code, chatbot, blog article, detailed literature review, chat with paper and chat with PDF. So in this, what we are going to discuss is that this option is called chat with paper, that is chat with your reference paper. So just to click on that chat with paper, so you will be having this dashboard here. So here you can see chat with paper. So in this, please add paper text. So you can copy and paste a particular section of your reference paper. So thereby you can analyze the particular section very particular section very briefly using this paper, that is chat with paper. So here you can see, so copy and paste the particular section of the paper and give submit text, then you can ask your questions here. For example, say in order to do so, I am going to take a random paper. So here you can see this is the random paper regarding with IoT. So artificial jellyfish optimization with the deep learning driven decision support system for energy management in smart cities. So this is the topic I have taken. So for example, say if you want to analyze the abstract, so copy this abstract and then paste the abstract in the particular window, that is section, that chat with paper. So and then click submit text of the paper. So after that you can ask questions. For example, say I am going to ask, summarize the abstract in 5 points. So summarize the abstract in 5 points. After that, click ask question. Then AI will generate the summarized version in 5 points. So let us see how it will works out. So here you can see our content is, that is output is generated. So here you can see the abstract discusses the challenges of energy management in smart cities and importance of effective energy models. The study introduces the 𝐴𝐺ODL DSSEM model, which combines artificial jellyfish optimization and deep learning to predict energy in smart city environments. Next, like that, it will generate 5 important points from that particular abstract. So or you can ask, summarize the key points of the abstract, or you can ask what are the main objective of this particular paper. So these are the several possible questions can be asked in the abstract. So next we will explore with the introduction part. So in this introduction, and you can see the related works. Related work is that literature survey. So we will take literature survey, that will be very useful for us. So starting from our first reference, so here I am going to copy the introduction and the literature part. So up to this. So here you can see there is about 20 references. So copy the content. So go to the same chat with paper template. So you can refresh your page. So thereby you can give the content again. So you can copy this content, that is literature survey we have taken from this paper, that is you can see here the same paper, artificial jellyfish optimization. So after that, submit the text of the paper, then you can ask questions. So probably what is the question we can ask in literature review? You can ask the summary of the literature review, or you can ask for a research gap or a problem statement from the particular literature review. So what I am going to ask is, generate a problem statement and research gap from the content, and also provide what are the possible solution to overcome the research gap. So I have asked a problem statement, research gap, and what are the possible solution to overcome the research gap. So click on ask question. So this will take several minutes to generate, because so we have copied a brief content. So we have given a prompt like this. It has to analyze the problem statement and formulate the problem statement, and it has to give the research gap. After that, it has to suggest that what are the probable that is solutions to fulfill that research gap. So let us see how it will works out and how it will generate the content. So here you can see problem statement. The existing energy method management performance for smart city needs improvement, particularly in the terms of energy prediction using deep learning methods. The predictive results of these models are not satisfactory, as there are risk of model overfitting due to increasing number of parameters. Additionally, the efficiency of CNN model is affected by various hyperparameters. So next research gap is that the research gap lies in the need for improvement in energy management system for smart cities that utilizes deep learning models for accurate predictions. There is a lack of effective methods to overcome the challenges and model overfitting and hyperparameter optimization in the context of energy management. Next, this is the possible solutions to overcome the research gap. So here you can see, develop a novel deep learning model that addresses the challenges and model overfitting. Next, implement an ensemble learning approach that combines multiple deep learning models to improve the accuracy of energy prediction. Next, integrate the reinforcement learning techniques. Next, fourth one, explore the use of transfer learning to leverage pre-trained deep learning models. Next, conduct extensive experiments and evaluations to compare the performance of different deep learning models. So like that, it will generate the problem statement, research gap, and also you can get the possible solutions to overcome the research gap. So from that, you can take any of the point to go for your further research. That will be very helpful for you to make further research in the particular field you have chosen. So like that, you can analyze your reference paper. Surely you will get a perfect objective for your research and perfect need for your research. That is very important while doing your research. Make a problem statement, research gap, and what are the necessary steps you are going to take in your research to overcome the particular research gap. Then this analysis will help you to provide that particular objective of your research. So next section we will go on and analyze the next section. So the next section deals with the proposed model. So in this proposed model, you can see this is the basic explanation how the proposed model work and the pseudocode of the proposed model. So next one is that result and analysis. So in this result and analysis, so experiment validation of model is testing using two open data sets. It is compared with the data sets. So like that, it has some graphical representation of the comparison and data sets. So thereby you can copy and paste this comparison section, that is result section and discussion section. So thereby you will be get an idea about what are the important techniques that are used to compare, and also what are the parameters are compared, what are the techniques are compared. So in that, what I am going to do is I am going to copy the results and analysis section of the particular model, and I am going to that our template, that is chat with paper, copy and paste the content. So submit the text of the paper. After that, you can ask summarize briefly the results obtained by different methods. So I have asked for the summarize briefly the results obtained by different methods. So if you are struggling to study the full paper, so you can ask a question like that. So let us see, it will pinpoint some of the result values which will be helpful for you to make a strategical study. So how to overcome that particular results in your proposed method. So let us see how it will works out. So here you can see the method, that is the proposed method. Model was tested on 2 data sets. So these are the 2 data sets. The model achieved improved performance in all aspects. Here you can see these are the important points to be noted for. So lower values of RMSE, MAE, MAPE. The model also predicted values closer to the actual values for both active power and system load. The comparative analysis of other models shown that 𝐤𝐸 model outperformed in terms of MSE, RMSE, MAE in both data sets. So this is the summarized version of the particular result and analysis part. So thereby you can get an idea about what that proposed method does. So and what are the important methods it is compared with, and how it outperforms that methods it has compared with. So these are this is what you can do with that is research and analysis part. Or else what are the possible questions can be asked in this particular section is that, so you can ask the datas. So how much percentage of RMSE, so or you can ask for how much percentage of MSE, like that you can ask. So make use of this option to analyze your result and analysis part of your research paper. Next, as last one is that conclusion. So you can copy and paste the conclusion. So you can ask for summarize the conclusion, or else you can ask for the future scope of the conclusion. Thereby you can make your research further, so further on a right track. So you can ask for a future scope of the particular work. So thereby it will generate future scope of the particular work. So this is how you can analyze your reference paper for a brief literature review. So the important thing you have to take in this video is that, so especially for those who are preparing review papers, so you have to need this kind of analysis. So thereby you can have a lot of data related with the particular reference paper. So hope this chat with PDF paper will be very helpful for you. So what are the other important options available in this AI tool is that we are going to conduct online workshop on AI powered research paper crafting, the ChatGPT and AI revolution. The main objective of this workshop is to familiarize you all with different AI tools which is useful for research paper writing, and also we are going to explore different ChatGPT prompts, especially research prompts for research paper preparation. So you can go on this online workshop option and you can book your seat now. So it's for just $199. Next one is that refer friends. So if your friends or colleagues struggling to write a research paper, so you can share this kind of AI templates which will be very useful for them to make their research paper writing simple. As far as plans and pricing is concerned, so here you can click on plans and pricings. So this is LMS AI free plan. You can access unlimited that 2 of our templates, that is summarizer and grammar corrector, for 7 days. So after that LMS AI monthly plan, so you can have unlimited access for all our templates for just ₹99. Next, LMS AI quarterly plan, $199. You can access have unlimited access for all our templates for 3 months. Next, LMS AI half-yearly plan at $499. You can have unlimited access for 6 months. Next, the best value pack, that is $999 LMS AI yearly plan. So you have unlimited access for all our templates for 1 year. So thereby you can access all our templates. Every month new template will be added, especially for research. So make use of this option to make your research paper writing simple. So hope this video will be very helpful for you, especially how to analyze your reference paper to make a better literature review, especially for review paper writing. So thank you for watching our videos. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Have a nice day. Thank you.